What you are looking at is the rim of the pot starting to melt. You can see the line going through the middle of the screen. That's the rim of the pot. I'm trying to get this. You can see the coils in the background, the top of the pot. This is how you do it. You watch it through the peephole of the kiln. Now, I'm trying to get it for you. Hold on. And you can see the neck of the pot there, and you're just watching it. And when it starts to bubble up and then smooth over and go to a liquid state, that's when you want to grab it with the tongs and pull it out of the kiln. You can see the liquid. The little lines through there are the glass starting to melt and turn white hot as the chemicals melt. There's the rim of it. There's a good shot of it. You can see the glass, as it gets liquid, it starts reflecting the coils that are heating the kiln. That's almost done.
Fuck, I missed it.